Right, this is our manhole cover tool. Uh, it's used for lifting manhole covers. Can be done with one or two people. Uh, One person, you can hook it in and lift it up and start moving it, or you can get two people and they'll lift it and set your manhole out of the way and twist that lock in and lock your hook back. This is our universal bracket for the saddle vent. It's to be placed on the edge of the manhole cover, and then you'll place the manhole cover on top of it. And that will anchor in your Sport Fear saddle vent. This is your saddle vent. It's placed in the hole. It's attached to the fan to provide fresh air for any confined space operations. You've got your grounding wire. You've got grounding points on most of your components. You'll daisy chain all of your grounding points together and then tie it to a grounding rod. You've got a back tie strap to where if you need to, you can back tie it, but it has a hole there that will go into your saddle vent mount. Alright, this is our 90, goes on top of our saddle vent and connects to our 20-foot section of flex hose. It's just really a compression fit. Push it on tight. Flex hose. It really is just kind of a fight to get it on, but it'll pull over the end of this 90. We only have 190 in the department, but this 190 will drop 200 cubic feet a minute off of your airflow. There. Now our flex hose is hooked up. We'll take it, stretch it back to the location that we have our fan in. All right, this is our confined space fan. Flows 980 cubic feet a minute, but with our 190 that we have hooked up, we only get 789 cubic feet a minute. So you need to take that into consideration for your calculations for airflow. Plug is a standard 110 plug, nothing special. On-off switch pulls out for on, push in for off. You've got an arrow on it for your direction of airflow. You've also got a small ground clamp there, but you'll take your end piece to your hose that's connected. It's got two notches that the little tabs work their way into, and a rubber pull lock. Alright, we have two sections of flex vent. One is slightly longer than the other, but they can both be employed in either position, whether they are above ground or attached to the bottom of the saddle vent to give you better airflow in your workspace. So if you're going into the workspace, you need better airflow down there in a certain direction. If you've got two directions and you're only working in one, you want airflow in the direction that you're working. So this, as you're lowered in, as you starting to pass the saddle vent, you can have this other section hose lowered past you. You'll take this end out, attach it to the bottom of your saddle vent, let them lower this on down, bring you on down. Then once this is attached, you can take this other section of hose and go into the direction that you're working in.